deepest passions, magnificent potential, and higher calling to discover and ignite your life's purpose. Imagine how everything would change for the better if your life was infused with boundless inspiration, direction, meaning, and joy. If you're ready to shift to a higher level of awareness, the Life Purpose Discovery Experience will prepare you to take the next steps in your spiritual evolution and bring your personal life mission to light. Hi, I'm program creator and coach Stacy Zemon. I, along with the expert guest speakers, will inform, inspire, and empower you to get in alignment with your higher wisdom, let go of limiting beliefs, and help you take a quantum leap toward knowing and manifesting your unique reason for being here on Earth.
You have your mental thinking process that works on a belief system that's not aligned with love. Your spiritual conversation, your spiritual intelligence works on an inspiration system.
You have to be in alignment with what you want so that you can magnetize it to you through your thoughts, your feelings, and your belief systems.
Feeling, experiencing, opening to higher direction about what it is that you truly want, what you truly deeply need, that is really what will open the door.
When you can feel the reality that you're desiring to align to, as if you already have it in that moment, even if it's just for 5 minutes, you are that much closer to that actually being the reality.
People that are governed from within, they listen to their physiology and psychology, their intuition and their symptoms. And the people from without that are disempowered, they have to be controlled by sociology and theologies around them to get them to do it.
Are you ready to say yes to discovering and igniting your life's purpose? And is there a deep feeling in your heart that seems to whisper, it's time, it's time? If so, get ready for a journey of self-discovery that leads to an incredibly happy and fulfilling life. If you want to know why you were born during this time of rapid change and spiritual awakening in the world and what you came to do, then join us for this extraordinary live virtual event.
I got far more than what I expected.
I got something from every single presenter.
The smoothness of this course and building upon itself went extremely well.
And it was perfectly aligned and organized and powerful.
Every single step of the way, it was excellent.